Hey lovelies, so welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how easy you can turn an unflattering dress into a cute little two-piece. So keep watching. Okay, so first you want to begin by marking where you want it to fall. And of course, add 2 inches for your elastic waistband. I did add pins for mine for reference on where I'm going to cut. I will say as well, where you do want it to fall, probably give it another inch just because, you know, when you do raise your hand, your top will go up. So then you can go ahead and cut, separating the 2 pieces. Then you want to go ahead and grab the elastic you're going to be using for the band. Of course, using a thin elastic. I will say, when you do fold over the waist, make sure you leave enough room for the elastic to be run through. And as you can see here, I am folding over and then I pin to hold it in place. Make sure to leave a small opening while pinning so you can actually get the elastic in. So you're going to do this for the bottom and for the top as well. Okay, now you're going to bring that to your machine and do a straight stitch all the way around. So this dress did have a soft plastic zipper which I was able to cut through. So what I did so it doesn't unravel is add my no sew glue, which you can actually get at any local fabric store. Again, to be extra sure for the elastic waistband, you could either use your measuring tape to measure or just take the elastic and see what fits for you. As you can see, I'm struggling, but yes, measure around with the elastic. Now for the pin and pull method. You're gonna pin the end of the elastic and run it through the opening of the back of the skirt. I did hold the other end of the elastic in my mouth just so it didn't get lost while running it through. So once that's done, just double check to make sure that the elastic is all run the same way. And now the 2 ends of the elastic, you can go ahead and attach that. And now for the final step, you just want to go ahead and close off the little opening at the back. Now there you have it, a very cute 2-piece set. Now if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.